Hey everyone, how y'all doing today? Well, another episode of Sassafras Outdoors. Today is something completely different than what I normally do. For a few weeks straight, I was thinking to myself, I wonder what would happen if I threw a chunk of bluegill out on a big old circle hook right into this channel here and just let it sit after the sun goes down. Would something hit it? You know, and I asked other people and nobody really ever tried it, you know. And not any, I didn't really hear about anybody catching anything that way or even really fishing at night in this channel to begin with. And I said, there's got to be something. I'm connected to a main lake that's connected to a massive river that has incredible fishing in it. So there's got to be something in here. And, well, there was only one way to find out, and that was to try it. There's tons of bluegill here during the day, tons of perch. You can catch anything you want. So I caught a couple bluegill, I put them on the end of my line, and this is what happened. Needless to say, I was pleasantly surprised. So, hope y'all enjoy. Thanks for watching. Alright, the rods are rigged up. And ready to go. Let's get our left side rod out. This one I'm going to throw up closer, kind of over to the spillway here. Not quite in it, but like, kind of where the current's just starting. It's kind of goofy to cast here because there's so much crap around. But anyway, that's right. Gotta open the bail first, eh? You know what? That's a pretty good spot. That's right on the edge of that current. I'll leave that. So now what I do? Leave that bail open. Put in your rod holder. Maybe tighten her up a little bit. Turn the bait clicker on and reopen the bail. There you can tighten it up a little bit more even. So always make sure you flip that open because it could go real bad if you don't. If anybody knows about how a catfish bites, it's a big deal. So. And once in a while you'll see some smaller bites on these even, and that's just smaller fish just kind of nibbling at the fish guts. Yeah, fish are cannibals. So this is to be what I call my right rod, my right side rod. And this is the one I caught the one last night on. And it's usually just straight out here. And this one seems to always get the most. It's not much of a difference, but I think it's probably because it's like the first one they see, because they're coming out maybe from the lake or something, and the lake's, off to our right side. Oh, that was a thump. There's stuff nibbling at those baits already. Wasn't a catfish, but that's kind of cool. Gee, that was a hard bump. So, got our bait clicker on. Gotta tighten up the rod here. The bail's open, bait clicker on. And that's basically what I do. Nothing too special. And now we wait. See you guys then. Yep. Look at that cooler. Hey Frank, isn't that a nice cooler? Oh yeah, baby sweet. And the other cool thing is I have a yard light. flip that baby on right there. That helped a ton. Because otherwise it gets pitch black here at night. Got my garbage bag. Got my Miller Lite lawn chair. Thanks Josh and Chris for the lawn chair. Grab a beer here. All right. See you guys when they bite. We had a couple of good tugs on the catfish rod on the cut bait. And I had a nice one also on the a clump of night crawlers over here, so. Yep, we got one on, boys and girls. That's a good old catfish we got on, I believe. I didn't have time to press record, but this thing feels like a beast. It's probably the 10 pounds of weeds I got on too. Oh, sweet. Oh yeah. I don't know what's going on, if I'm even up against the boat lift right now. Oh, this thing feels huge. Woo. Oh yeah. I'm sure you guys can't see anything. I just turned my light on, so now we can see stuff. I have 18 pounds of weeds on and about a 15-pound something. If it's even that big. It is a channel cat. Oh yeah, sweet. Holy cow. All right. I'm telling you guys. Look at this. Look at all these weeds. Oh yeah, buddy. There you go. I really need to get a net. Yeah, another channel catfish. Not as big and bad as the other one I posted, but this one is certainly nice. Cool, man. Started taking off like crazy. That's a really dark one. Beautiful fish. You can see my piece of cut bait there. Just the head and part of the torso of green sunfish. Yeah, I'm gonna get this hook out of him and throw him back. All right. So this one's about, what's he at here? This guy. He's at 28. 28 and probably about 10 pounds, maybe 8 pounds. He's not quite as big, but all right, we got a bite. Yeah, I got him. Nice. I don't think he's very big. No, he ain't very big. What is that?
Is that a cat?
I don't know. I think it's a big sheephead.
No.
Yeah, you get them sometimes like this. Look at that.
Oh man.
It's just a really big. Well, we call them sheephead here in Wisconsin, but most places call them freshwater drum. And we got them on a piece of cut bait. which does happen from time to time. Kind of a bummer though. Wanna grab that pole there, man? It's a big one though, it's kind of cool. Sure.
Yeah, still a nice fish.
Wow, look at the size of that.
Bigger sheephead. Dude. Let's take a picture of him.
Yeah. Get the hook out of him here. Look at the size of that guy.
Right. Now let's go.
Still pretty cool. Watch out for the line above you, babe. There you go. Rod's touching it. No, lower down, lower down. There you go. Yep. We gotta go document that. Sorry for the burp. Alright. I'll let this guy go. I can't tell you how many years it's been since I've caught a drum on a piece of cut bait, but quite a few. Still pretty cool. Good fight.
Nice.
Good times. Alright. Alright. Got another big old bluegill head on there. Let's throw her back out. Good stuff. Alright, another night. Let's see what happens here. Channel's got a little bit of cover on it. I mean by cover, I'm saying algae. But nothing too bad. I got my couple of fish right there that I caught a little bit ago. Ready to go here. Tonight we're doing something a little different. I got some new leaders I made up. Just trying something out here tonight. See how this works. I had some 80-pound Suffix monofilament come in the mail, and I bought it because I wanted to make some leaders out of it, some mono leaders. I didn't have any heavy enough monofilament before, and I'm using that because I want my bait to float a little bit. So as you can see what I did here, got my 7/0 circle hook, did a snell knot. You can kind of see that. Very important knot to have when you're catfishing. Crazy strong knot, and also it helps your hook sets a little better. It helps the fish get hooked. And I got a little loop here I put on the end of it. It's like a double figure 8 kind of deal, and just kind of a little clinch, knot that I put on this barrel swivel, and then just a snap swivel. That's where I'm going to tie my 1 ounce weight to. But first, I got to get these fish ready. So we can get fishing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, feeling good about this. We got a bite. I got some slack line going on. There it is, there it is. Haha, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Ooh, come on, baby. Where you at, where you at? Oh. Ooh, that's a nice fish. Holy cow, that's a nice fish. Whew. Nice fish. Oh, that's a bruiser here. Trying to keep him away from the boat lift. Oh, this feels like a flathead. Oh, I'm gonna put my bait clicker on. He actually bit like a flathead, and it's kind of fighting like one. Oh yeah. Oh no, he's got me up against the boulder. Oh no. There he is. There he is. He's over here now. Oh yeah. Oh no, this is a really big channel. Oh yeah, this is a big old one. Yes sir. Oh man. Look at this. This might be my might be the biggest one of the year. Woo. Holy smokes. That's a beautiful catfish. Wow. Beautiful catfish. Oh yeah. Oh man. Look at you. That's an absolute bruiser right there. Trying to alligator roll and everything. I love it. Oh my gosh. Man. Look at that bad boy. Woo! Yeah! Look at that. Oh. Yes, sir. Big old son of a gun. Oh. Man, he is pissed. Monster. Get my lawn chair on there. Set this guy down. Get the old tape measure out again. Wow. Whew. What do we got here? 30. We'll call him 31. Probably 30 3/4, 31. All right. Let's get this big old guy right back in the water. Catch him another day. Oh man. That's definitely, maybe not quite the biggest one of the year. He's right there. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, love it. Ah. All right. Casted that back out. I actually did not lose my cut bait on that one. Got about a half hour of fishing left. Oh. You guys don't even know how satisfying that is to catch out of your backyard. Oh, I love this. That is what it's about right there, folks. That was awesome. 31 inches, 15 pounds. Absolutely. I don't know if he's the biggest one of the year for me, but definitely right there. All right, I got another bite going on. Holy cow. I don't know if it's big. Are you kidding me right now? Oh, that was a good tug there. That was a good tug there. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. There you go. That's something on the end of my line right now. So, this situation here, you just let it keep doing its thing. Just let it keep doing its thing, because when it actually gets hooked, it's going to take off. And either it's going to run away from you, or it's going to go even more slack. So you just wait. We're just going to wait. Don't get too excited. I think I'm going to see what's going on here. Take my bait clicker off. Alright. Gosh, this is weird. I'll leave some slack. I'm gonna slowly reel. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe this is a massive fish and it's just messing with me right now. I can feel it. I can feel it on there. It's on there. Oh! You guys, this is no way. No freaking way. What is this? What is this? Oh, it is a turtle. No! Oh no! That's why. I was like, oh, it's a snapping turtle, so. Oh my gosh. Really? Oh. I don't know what to do with myself right now. There's all kinds of critters in here tonight, isn't there? Oh boy. Do I lift them out? Like, what do I do with this? Oh, he's caught good. Oh yeah, you're pretty cool looking. Yeah, suddenly I'm regretting this decision. Oh, are you hissing? Is that a hiss? No, gross. Oh no, no. I don't like this animal anymore. What the? Oh, you're way in there, aren't you? Oh! Oh my gosh! Okay, I'm out. Cutting my leader. Cutting this line. Get in the water. Bye! Whew! Well, I'll be darned. Well, I had to cut my leader because I am not getting involved with the mouth of that creature. As cool as that was, I mean, it's been a year since I've actually caught a turtle. One of the things you do get on cut bait once in a while is turtles. It's just the way the game goes, but it doesn't happen too much around here, but tonight it did, so that was really interesting. It's also why it was biting the way it was, or why we saw the action on our rod tip was the way it was biting the way it was biting. And that's why it kind of was like, I hope it's not a turtle. And sure enough, I set the hook and it was a pretty decent weight, and I'm like, oh man, we got a turtle. So yeah, took my leader off, make a new one, and well, that's good enough for me tonight. I gotta go to work tomorrow, so man, talk about an eventful night. Sweet. Oh yeah, got rained out once, but I'd say that was a pretty successful little experiment, and I will continue to do this at night because I got a feeling there's going to be something absolutely insane on the end of my line one of these nights, and I cannot wait. We're getting into fall, so all kinds of other fish are starting to get a little wacky and starting to get ready for winter, so they're starting to stock up, you know, they're getting real hungry, starting to school up. And these channels here, especially this one, is absolutely phenomenal. I mean, there's big northern, there's huge muskie that come through here, and obviously you guys saw some beautiful channel catfish. It's a big sheephead. I mean, I've never caught a sheephead on a piece of cut bait other than one time, and that was like back when I was a teenager. You know, massive carp in here, and just more panfish and perch and everything else you can imagine. So just a great body of water, really, just to fish in. And it's nice that it's out my back window, you know. Love it. So other than getting rained out that one night, even that I caught a fish still, so cannot complain. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you know, if you're ever wondering, like, if you live by a body of water, even if it's just on a big lake and you're offshore, do the same thing. Throw that thing out and let it sit. You don't even need a weight, really. I mean, you can put a weight on. I do, but you don't have to. I'm gonna actually, probably this week or maybe next week, I'm gonna do a little video, a short video on how to rig up a catfishing rod, you know, catfishing rod. I mean, I wouldn't say my rods are officially actually catfishing rods, but they do work well, and I'll kind of go through a little rig rundown sort of on what I use and how I do things. So hope you guys enjoy this video this week. I know I spent a few days making it, a couple late nights, but all worth it in the end. So please subscribe if you haven't. Please comment. Please give me a thumbs up. And we will see you guys on the next video. Also check me out on Instagram. I post pretty much daily on just random stuff or pictures of fish and things and whatnots, you know. So we'll see you guys later. Have a good week, everyone.